If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Links in Acrobat let you easily add hyperlinks to a PDF. This helps you link to an external web page from a page in a PDF document. To create a link within a PDF in Acrobat, either click the Edit a PDF link in the All Tools panel, or click the Edit link in the top bar to show the Edit panel at the left side of the screen. If needed to expand the list and show all the content choices, click the More link under the Add Content section in the Edit panel. Then, click the Link button in the Edit panel and select the Add or Edit a Link command from its drop-down menu. Then use your mouse pointer cursor, which appears as a crosshair when held over the PDF page, to click and drag over the area within the page where you want the link to appear. As you click and drag, a blue box shows you the border of the link. When you release the mouse button, the Create Link dialog box then opens. The Link Appearance section of the Create Link dialog box lets you set how the link looks in the PDF. To set whether the link has a visible or invisible rectangle shape, select either the Visible Rectangle or Invisible Rectangle choice from the Link Type dropdown. If you select Visible Rectangle, then use the Line Style dropdown to choose a border line style for the rectangle. To set the border color for a visible rectangle, click the Color box and then select a choice. To set the border thickness, select a choice from the Line Thickness dropdown. Separately, for both visible and invisible rectangles, to select an animation effect to apply if a user clicks the link, select a choice from the Highlight Style dropdown. The Link Action section of the Create Link dialog box lets you choose what happens when a user clicks the link in the PDF. The link action options are Go to a Page View, Open a File, Open a Web Page, or Custom Link. Select the desired option button and then click the Next button at the bottom of the dialog box to continue. If you select the Go to a Page View option, then a message box appears and tells you to use the scroll bars, mouse, and zoom tools to create the target view of the page, and then click the Set Link button in the message box to set the link destination. This works the same as setting a bookmark destination. If you select the Open a File option, then a Select File to Open dialog box appears. Use it to navigate to the file to open, click it to select it, and then click the Open button in the dialog box to set the link to the selected file. If you select the Open a Web Page option, then an Edit URL dialog box appears. Enter the URL of the web page to open, and then click the OK button to set the link. If you select the Custom Link option, then a Link Properties dialog box appears. The same settings you just set for the hyperlink's appearance in the Create Link dialog box then appear on the Appearance tab in the Link Properties dialog box. Click the Actions tab, and then select the desired link action from the Select Action dropdown in the Add an Action section. Then click the Add button. Depending on the selected action, an additional dialog box then opens and prompts you to specify any additional settings for the selected action and click the OK button within it. At that point, your custom link action then appears in the Actions list in the Link Properties dialog box. If needed, you can add additional actions to this list by repeating this process. You can also manage an action by clicking it to select it in the actions list, and then using the up, down, edit, and delete buttons below the list to change its order of execution, edit, or delete it. To apply the custom link settings when finished, click the OK button at the bottom of the Link Properties dialog box. To edit existing links in a PDF in Acrobat, click the Link button in the Edit panel, and then select the Add or Edit a Link command from the drop-down menu. Then double-click the link to edit to open the Link Properties dialog box. Then change the settings on the Appearance tab of the dialog box to change the way the link looks, or change the settings on the Actions tab to change the link action settings. When finished, click the OK button to apply your changes and close the dialog box. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.